Essentially, it's an action, adrenaline experience. When a customer comes in and comes to the business, there's a couple different ways they can come at it. Obviously, there's walk-in traffic, and then there's also the ability to book specific dates and specific packages. The packages are going to come out, and they're all going to be themed. But imagine, like a 1930s, 1940s gangster-style package, and you would have the weapons, or rather the firearms from that particular era, the historic value, maybe a World War I type package, and you'd have the firearms from that particular era. You might have a cowboy action style package, and you would have the weapons from that particular era, and they would select that and have the appropriate amount of ammunition, and they would be taken out onto the range by one of the range safety officers, and under that range safety officer's guidance, be taken through the safe operation of that firearm and allowed to experience it. We have a number of layers of safety that start from very rigid guidelines that we've developed that have to be followed. Range safety officers will make sure that each and every guideline is adhered to completely. Plus, when an individual's on the range, they're never out there by themselves. They're never out there without the guidance and without the actual contact from the range safety officer. And the range safety officers are never far enough away from that individual where they can't actually intervene in what's going on, whether it to control the firearm or to control the individual, and provide them through that experience in a very safe format. From an external perspective, we are in a strip mall because it is a commercial business. This isn't a firearms range. This isn't a shooting range where people can bring their own firearms into. This is a controlled atmosphere like any other type of attraction might be. It just happens to be a little bit higher on the adrenaline scale than a gift shop or a miniature golf course. Based on the influx on other like facilities, that we may even have to put a turnstile in to slow people down coming through the door, because they do tend to be pretty popular facilities.